Okay, this is our reverse engineering project, and we did a hot glue gun, and I'm Sophia.
I'm Brody.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Cole.
Our visual analysis for the side view, you're able to see the trigger, the stand, where the glue is held, and then the front view, you're able to see the nozzle, the front of the trigger, the wires, and the front of the stand. For the visual analysis, the isometric view allows you to see a better view of the overall glue gun, and you're able to see where the glue stick follows throughout the entire glue gun. And then the top view, you're allowed to see the designs on the glue gun and where the glue stick follows through.
So for our functional analysis, we found out that the inputs were glue, electricity, and pressure on the trigger. The function was melting glue and putting things together, and our outputs were heat, melted glue, and smell. And the mechanical parts are the trigger, electrical cord, and nozzle stand.
For the nozzle's main function is to allow the glue to exit the heating chamber. The stand's main function is to hold up the nozzle of the gun so that it doesn't burn anything around it. The trigger's main function is to signal when glue should be released. The glue insertion hole's main function is to provide a place to easily insert the glue. The handle's main function is to allow the user to have a comfortable way to hold the gun. The electric cord is the main function is to provide energy to the gun in order for it to operate.
Some of the main parts are the trigger, which when you squeeze, it releases the glue. The body frames protect everything inside. The nozzle is where the glue comes out. The screws keep everything together. Stand, when used, keeps the object standing up. And the heater element heats up the glue. And the sealing ring keeps the heater element sealed. Most of the parts are made out of plastic, but the screwdrivers, the screws, and the stand are made out of steel and metal.
And for our conclusion, you're like Cole said, you're able to see most of it's made out of plastic, a little bit of steel and metal, which each of these materials contributed to the overall function of the glue gun and how it was able to withstand the heat from the electrical wires. We could improve the design by adding more visually pleasing effects and adding like a light to indicate when it's